1999 Isuzu Rodeo 3.2 V6 two-wheel drive automatic transmission. For a year, I've had this noise and couldn't figure it. Everybody says it's low oil pressure. And I see that. And that noise goes away when you rev up to 2000 RPM. Well, if you look, that pulley is off-centered, and I think it's worn out the bearings inside of it. I think they call this the hydraulic tensioner pulley. I could be wrong. I'm going to do some research and figure out what in the world it is and why it's making so much noise. But that noise is not the oil pressure, because I'm getting plenty of oil pressure. I've checked it out.